Welcome back to the Man of Chess, and in this video we'll be looking at this puzzle. This puzzle is basically worth your time. I say so because let's see. So let's first see the material. White has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pawns, 2 rooks against 1 rook, 1 bishop and 3 pawns. So clearly White has the material advantage, and a 2 rook ending can easily destroy this king. Plus, this is about to get promoted, so it may seem that white is winning here. But wait, black has the winning moves. Let's see how. Black can checkmate this white king in 3 moves. Can you find these moves? I hope you did. So, let's see the solution. The first move we have to play here is bishop f2. The king can go to the 2 squares here, s3 or h2. There is no other squares left, as this f file is covered by the rook, and this uh, h5 square is covered by the king. So let's see. Let's first see h3. So king goes to s3, then we go to rook goes to h8 check. Then the only option white has is to block this check by playing rook h6. So in this case we have to capture this rook by a rook, and rook takes rook, and this is checkmate. There is no square left for this king to go. So let's see now the other variation. If king goes to h2 instead, then we have to again same move, rook h8 check, and king cannot go anywhere. Why? Because this g1 square is covered by the bishop, and this whole file is covered by the rook. So white has to block this check again by playing rook h6. Then we'll again simply take this rook and again checkmate. So if black doesn't play accurately from here, white can easily win. So what do we have learned from this video? We have seen that it's not always the material which leads to the victory. Sometimes it's the position, and it's more important to find the best move in that position. I hope you like the video. Press the like button, drop your comments, and subscribe to this channel. Once again, thank you for watching.